Hello, here I'm telling you about the PCA algorithm in machine learning. Basically, PCA means principal component analysis. By using this principal component analysis, we can reduce the dimensionality of the data. If we have 1,000 features, just assume you have 1,000 features. So that is large amount of data. We need to reduce that much of amount of data into the less number of features. That is possible with the PCA. How many? You may get doubt again. Till how many features I can reduce? Either one feature, two features, or more than that. That is your wish. How many features you want? Till to that number of features you can reduce from 1,000 features by using this principal component analysis. In the principal component analysis, we can convert the correlated data into the non-correlated data. See here, I have taken the variable 1 on the x-axis and variable 2 on y-axis. You can assume variable 1 anything or variable 2 also anything. Just by using this variable 1 and variable 2, I have taken the data points. So through the mid of all of the data points, I have drawn a straight line. I have named it as a PCA1, and also I'm trying to draw a perpendicular line to this PCA1. I'm giving the name to that one as a PCA2. Now see, the correlated data converted into the non-correlated data. In this way, it can convert and also it can reduce the features. See here, variable 1, variable 2, there are two features. PCA1, PCA2, there are also two features. Whatever the feature that you want to utilize to reduce the dimensionality, you can use that one. Out of these two, you can use the PCA1 or PCA2, either the one you can use. In this way, you can reduce the features. To reduce the features, we need to follow the steps. These are the steps that we need to follow to reduce the dimensionality of the data. First, we need to standardize the data. Standardization of the data means we're not fixing the data at somewhere. We are applying the standardization technique to reduce the higher number, to reduce the variance in the data. After that, we need to apply the transformation of the data. Just to convert the rows into the columns and columns into the rows, we need to apply the transposition technique. After that, we need to apply the covariance technique, because of in the next step, we are going to calculate eigenvectors and eigenvalues. For that, we need to have a square matrix. So to convert the data into the square matrix, we are applying this covariance on the data. With that, we can consider the number of vectors. After that, we can multiply the standardized data with the vectors. With that, we can reduce the dimensionality of the data. This is all about dimensionality reduction in the data by using the PCA. You can read out our blog and you can get much more content with that. Thank you for now.